Chanel holiday gift sets are here. These are the most sought after gift sets of every season. These fly out of the window. So the official launch day, it is today, the day that I'm uploading this video, October 12th. I told you this is going to be the week for Chanel because by the time that I'm uploading this video, I'm pretty sure they are going to have the holiday collection already available. And I'm talking about not only in boutiques, but also on the website and most likely even on retailers. Also, I have already reviewed, aside to the holiday collection, the new Chanel Sublimage Le Concentré Lumiere. So this is a new liquid highlighter from Chanel. As well, I don't have more hands to grab my stuff, but I also got my hands on the new oversized highlighters, that Les Symbols du Chanel, the symbols of Chanel, the ones that we thought that they were not coming here to US, but they are. So you're going to be seeing, I don't know when you're going to be seeing first my review of the highlighters or the holiday collection, or perhaps I will have a double upload today. Who knows? Okay, friends, to what you came for. Although I have already covered each of the details of these holiday gift sets, what it comes on each of them, I gave you swatches and all of that on a separate video. I wanted to do an unboxing of the sets that I got. And I want to say a big thank you to Laura Posé. I'm sorry if I'm saying the name wrong, but she has a YouTube channel and she was able to get me in contact with her SA, and I was able to get these holiday sets beforehand. So thank you so much to you, Laura. And if you want to pay her a visit, check her channel because you will enjoy her content so much. Okay, friends, so let's unbox the first set, which is Easy Come Easy Glow. You know, my friends, I told you that I was gonna get this baby. The cost of this set was $97. And the pouch, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This is just gorgeous. It is an ivory tone with gold threads, and Chanel is in gold. And you know, friends, this is a very sought after because a lot of people, they become very crafty and they convert these makeup pouches into little Chanel bags by adding a chain, which actually I went ahead and purchased one of the chains at Amazon. I will be leaving the link too, just in case if you want to know where to get it, and then the converter kit too. So it will be on my description box below. If you don't know, I do have an Amazon storefront. But anyhow, friends, this is the beautiful bag. And if you're new here to my channel, welcome, and welcome to all of you, my beautiful friends. I'm filming natural light with a 4K camera. I always like to say it just in case if you're new, that way you can make sure that your settings are set at 4K here on YouTube. This set comes with two products, the Rouge Coco Baume in Natural Charm, which is a permanent shade, as well as the Baume Essentiel in Transparent. Something that I noticed different from previous year is that this year we're getting the unicards, the actual boxes, which in previous years, each of the products, they just came wrapped. So here you go. This is the Baume Essentiel in Natural Beige, which is a gorgeous nudie tone. I'm not going to swatch it right now because I have the red lipstick, which is actually Pirate 99, which is actually part of another set. But this is a gorgeous shade. If you're not familiar with this formula, it's more of like a balm with a medium buildable pigmentation. It's not super balmy per se. It doesn't have a lot of that Vaseline kind of feel. So it's not oily. It stays really well on the lips. Obviously, you need to reapply, but there's so much hydration to it. And then this is a new product from Chanel because we have seen the Baume Essentiel many times, even in limited edition. But this time around, they are bringing us a transparent. And I remember seeing Sofia Richie using this one. I don't remember for what, or it was her makeup artist. But this is, again, a new shade. She would call it a new shade when it's transparent. There's no shade in it, but you know what I mean. And in fact, Sofia Richie, she also used this same formula of lipstick on her wedding, but in another shade. It's a great formulation. Now, I want to try these, baby, on myself. I already have a little bit of a highlighter underneath, but if you want to have that kind of wet skin look, you can just use these and it will give you a beautiful, again, wet look. It gives a lot of hydration and it doesn't really remove or disrupt your makeup underneath, which is something that I really appreciate. It doesn't have any scent, at least nothing that I can perceive, which is not so common for Chanel. The other set that I purchased is Always Brilliant, and this one comes with a beautiful navy blue pouch. I think this pouch is actually very beautiful. If you see it in person, It's very classy. It reminds me a lot. I do have a navy blue dress that is velvet, and I actually have used it, I think 2 years ago for, yeah, actually for the holiday season, and I wore it with some gold high heels, and this is giving me the same vibe. It's so pretty. It features the gold threads too with the gold logo. Very, very beautiful. And this set comes with a 3 Rouge Coco gloss, which are the glosses from Chanel. These glosses are so beautiful. They are hydrating. They hug your lips. They make your lips look more plump without plumping. They just give so much shine to your lips that makes your lips look fuller. They are not heavy. They are not goopy. They are honestly gorgeous. I love the doe foot applicator too. So if you're not familiar with the shades, these are it. Again, the swatches, I have it on my other videos. I don't want to be repetitive. You know, my holy grail gloss is Melted Honey. If you want kind of the liquefied version of Boy, the lipstick Boy from Chanel, Noche Moscata is fantastic. And then if you want something a little bit mauve tone, if you really do not want to go for a lipstick, but you want a lip gloss that carries more pigmentation, and again, that mauve tone, then Bourgeoisie, it's stunning too. Now, I have you some news right here. So it is my understanding October 15, there's going to be another release. I'm not sure if it's going to be the release of the oversized highlighters, or there are going to be a couple other gift sets that I have seen 2 of them. And it's, once again, my understanding also that they are going to be part of the Black Friday gift sets. Basically, one of them comes with a skincare. I think it's a toner and a makeup remover. Not 100% sure, but I will be putting a picture right here. Then there's another set that comes with one of my very favorite eyeshadow palettes. I know, that's going to be a good one. Is that Le Beige in Warm, and you have seen me using this baby many, many times. Like I said, this is one that I absolutely love. That set also comes with a lip balm from Chanel. Again, the picture will be here, but I also heard it seems like that even perhaps the gift set with the bronzer may be coming back. I don't know. Don't take me on that because I haven't seen a picture of it. I just heard rumors, so don't take my word for it. Do not get upset with me if it never comes. But the way that you know when new products are coming, when there's an early access, when there is a back in stock, when there's a new launch, is by staying in communication. And how you will do so, well, it's very simple and it's free too. Just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads and you don't miss my post on my community tab, because that's the way that I communicate with you and let you know, again, if there's an early access, a new release, etc. So let's stay in communication that way. I would love to hear from you which of these sets you have on your wish list, which one you're adding to cart immediately. I will suggest you just add it to cart immediately, because you know how this is. They fly out of the window and they make of amazing presents. I mean, like for example, that one that is Easy Come Easy Glow, that's perfect for someone that has more of a clean kind of aesthetic kind of look, clean girl kind of look type of thing. They honestly make of perfect gifts for somebody else or gifts for yourself. And you don't want to later on be trying to hunt for these sets on eBay or on other sites where they're going to charge you 3-4 times the actual price. Oh, I didn't mention the lip gloss set. That is $113. Okay, friends, now if you're on Instagram and also you want to get in communication through there, please come and follow me on my Instagram account as well as my TikTok. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also share it with family and friends. And if you're not done watching my content, I will leave in a couple other videos right here that I'm sure you're going to love. Until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.